Apomeds Honest review: watch before using. Apomeds is an online pharmacy that offers prescription and non-prescription medication with a simple ordering process and home delivery. And here are the key features about this website. It has an online medical consultation, prescription medication without a physical doctor visit. Also, it has a fast and discreet delivery with a wide range of medication. And here are the pros of this website. It has an easy to use website with quick and discreet shipping and convenient for getting prescription online and varieties of medication available. And here is the downside of it. Some customers report missing or incorrect order. Customer service can be slow in resolving issues. Price may be higher than local pharmacy. And here's the banner verdict. Apomeds is a convenient online pharmacy for quick access to medication that customer services and other accuracy could not prove. It's a good option if you need a hassle-free way to get prescription, but double check your order to avoid issues. So that's it.